Looking for a USB-C cable that lasts longer and charges faster? The BOOSTCHARGE Pro Flex braided silicone cable delivers both. It's designed to be up to 30 times more durable than standard cables, so you won't have to worry about fraying or tangling anymore. Plus, it supports USB-C power delivery for rapid charging, getting your device from 0 to 50% in as little as 26 minutes. What sets this cable apart is its ultra-flexible braided silicone build. Tested to withstand up to 30,000 bends, it outperforms ordinary PVC cables that only handle about 1,000 bends. That means less wear and tear, even if you're constantly on the move or using it in tight spaces. The magnetic cable management system also makes it easy to store and keep organized, whether at home, work, or on the go. I've tried several cables over the years, but the BOOSTCHARGE Pro Flex stands out for durability and speed. When paired with a 25 WPD-PPS power adapter, it charges a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra from 0 to 50% in just 26 minutes. Of course, charging times can vary depending on your environment, but this cable consistently delivers fast, reliable power. Available in 3 lengths and 4 stylish colors, it fits any setup and personal style. Whether you need a longer cable for your desk or a compact one for travel, there's an option that works. The heavy-duty design also means you won't have to replace it anytime soon, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Customers across the US have praised its performance, calling it perfect for both work and home use. The heavy-duty feel and length cover most charging situations, making it a dependable choice. If you want a cable that combines strength, style, and speed, this is worth a look. If you're tired of flimsy cables that break or slow you down, the BOOSTCHARGE Pro Flex offers a clear upgrade. It's built tough, charges fast, and keeps your space neat with magnetic management. Try it when you're ready to experience a cable that actually keeps up with your busy lifestyle.